Welcome everyone, Sam here from @HP Today I'm reviewing the Startrc landing pad for drones. Let's get into it. First off, this landing pad is bright and sturdy. It's got a cool, high visibility design that makes it easy to spot from the sky. Setting it up takes seconds. Just unfold and you're ready to land. This pad is a lifesaver for your drone. It protects against dust, debris, and rough terrain. No more worrying about your drone's camera getting scratched or dirty. It's perfect for any surface, whether you're in the backyard or out in the wild. And guess what? It's super portable. It folds up nicely and fits into the included carry bag. Easy to take on all your drone adventures. The Startrc landing pad is a must-have for drone enthusiasts. It's durable, portable, and keeps your drone safe. Okay, so to wrap it up, because I'm heading out to the mountains to fly. If you're a drone enthusiast or a weekend flyer, this pad should be in your toolkit. Hey, thanks for watching. Happy flying.